birth anniversary of Baba Guru Nanak in 2019, November mein inshallah. The Prime Minister inaugurated the groundbreaking ceremony of the corridor on the Pakistani side on 28 November 2018. Two Indian ministers, the Federal Minister and Minister of State, and a provincial minister, along with members of their legislative assemblies, attended along with a large number of people. Kartarpur, as you know, is a small town in Narowal, 4 kilometers from Pakistan-India border, where the founder of the Sikh religion, Guru Baba Nanak, spent the last 18 years of his life. Subsequently, Gurdwara Darbar Sahib was built at the site on the Pakistani side, and Gurdwara Dera Baba Nanak in India, which are visited by thousands of Sikhs every year. Opening the corridor to allow the Sikhs access to their most reverential place of worship has been a long-standing request. This is also reflective of the importance and primacy that Pakistan gives to all the minorities. On 21st January 2019, Pakistan shared its draft agreement with India and proposed that Pakistan delegation may visit India on 14th March, followed by a return visit of the Indian delegation. Subsequently, on 6th March, India proposed that Pakistan delegation may visit Atari on 14th March. Aaj ka din hai ji, inshallah abhi ja rahe hain. Continuing with our spirit of constructive engagement and flexibility, and in line with our sincere efforts to de-escalate the situation for regional peace and stability, we decided to agree to the Indian proposal, and that is why we are here today to cross over to the Indian side shortly for what is the first of a series of meetings. We hope that this initiative of the Prime Minister will not only facilitate Sikhs, especially from India, but in the current initiated situation can be a step forward in the right direction from conflict to cooperation, animosity to peace, and enmity to friendship. पहले भी मैंने कहा था कि एक शजर ऐसा मोहब्बत का लगाया जाए जिसका हमसाये के आंगन में भी साया जाए. ये हमारा थॉट है. I'll take just a couple of questions. जी अनस मियां. ये गुफ्तगू करतारपुर के बारे में है, जो कॉरिडोर खुलना है उसी सिलसिले में हमारा बात करने जा रहे हैं. यही हमारा मैंडेट लिमिटेड है. जी अनस साहब जी.
डॉक्टर साहब, आप जा रहे हैं, क्या एक्सपेक्टेशंस लेके जा रहे हैं इंडिया, और क्या उनसे एक्सपेक्टेशंस आपकी हैं पर्टिकुलरली करतारपुर कॉरिडोर को लेकर?
हमारी ये मीटिंग जी करतारपुर को खोलने से मुतल्लिक है. हमारा मैंडेट ये है कि जो इनिशिएटिव प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ पाकिस्तान ने लिया है, चीफ ने भी कहा और लोगों ने भी कहा, उसको कैसे हम मटेरियलाइज कर सकते हैं ऑन ग्राउंड, उसकी मैनिफेस्टेशन क्या हो सकती है. जी लास्ट क्वेश्चन जी. ये वापस आके बताएंगे. थैंक यू वेरी मच.